Muslim Family Counseling Services was established in 1990, so we are 33 years now, promoting family health and well-being, promoting sexual and reproductive health, and ending sexual and gender-based violence.
This is a very old organization that's 160 years of experience working in the field of young women's rights. We work with young women, we listen to them, they tell us their needs, they tell us their issues, and we're just there to help facilitate that process in which they demand their rights and in which their rights are actualized. So it's a grassroots-based movement led by young women, for young women, and even the solutions that we craft are by the young women themselves.
When you think about what we've been able to do in Migori through our active nonviolence training program, been able to bring communities together, been able to see people who were otherwise in conflict beginning to have a conversation. And I do believe that we wouldn't have done this without the support of Faith to Action. And in Isiolo and Kakamega, we've been using the interreligious dialogue approach. Among the things that we've been able to do to help the faith leaders to celebrate their achievements together, being able to have a conversation, being able to participate on national holidays.
Well, in the last but a good number of years, I've been working as the chair of the Intelligence Council. And we have gone through different storms as a state, as Kenya. And I thank God that the religious leaders have really worked hard to see that we maintain peace in the country. And this speaks volume to the world that it is imperative. We need religious leaders to be engaged, to work with the states, with the different institutions in order to achieve, if the countries, if the institutions want to achieve more, it's important that we work with the religious leaders. So in the last years, I've been chairing the faith communities in Kenya, the Christians, the Muslims, the Hindu, and we have come together to get to understand the different scenarios in the country that actually it led to the elections of 2022. And having, come through that storm successfully.
In as much as we agree on our beliefs and our practices as a religious person, we should also have another thought of living together as one community. For example, if Muslims will say, we don't like to see Christians in our community, what will be the implication? The implication is that they will stop praying because they will only have time for war, for backbiting, for insults, then who will pray in the mosque? So it's better to harmonize and have a common ground. Once you build on your religion, the religion is a calling. So you continue with calling people to come to your religion, but also live with other religions in harmony so that you can have the numbers that you need. Because if you are too aggressive, I don't think anybody will come to your religion. Prophet Muhammad started with his close families. Why? Because he needs numbers to be able to come out, and then he needs support of those closer to him. So today, our closest allies are our community people. So you need their buy-in, you need their support to be able to pray to the God that you believe in. In any case, it's one God with different names.
Yeah, first, we believe that many faiths, one humanity. Although we have different faith or religion, but we have the same interest of how to have humanity values. And because religious and faith belief very influential person, very influential thing to someone's life. So we use the religious and also faith idea to promote something good in our society. Maybe it's not necessarily to think about giving more members in our religion, but how to live together. Because if we only pay attention on the give more members like convention, and we cannot sit together, because you know that we know that many religions have mission tasks, yeah. But in current situation, I think for sitting together, not having thought of adding members, instead of, okay, you can stay in your own religion, but we can work together, and also you can agree with our values, for example. So you don't need to confess to our religion. Just stay in your religion, just stay in your beliefs, and then we can work together.
Religion has beliefs and opportunities as well as responsibilities. So for us, we see religion as a social institution. You can't have unhealthy people in your congregation. And the same community members are those you like to see in your mosque, in your church, in whatever. So religion, if you look at the holy books, I mean, sexuality and sexual education is already there. You take Quran chapter 2 up to 4, even 5, majority of the verses are talking about sexual and reproductive health. So it's a base for us. It's not only for doctors. Doctors can do the scientific side, and we can also do the community mobilization and education bits.
In our context of culture, in the MENA region, faith-based organizations are considered to be very key actors for change in the society, and faith leaders are very obeyed by people, and their opinions are very highly valued and highly people obey faith actors and always believe in their opinions and their teachings and preachings. So whenever are you located in a faith-based organization, you are a factor of a change. So whatever a change you are bringing to the society, it will be done through you.